Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make my May thank you notes. Aren't they cute? Oh my gosh. So I picked the colors to match the Gingham Gala designer paper that's in the Occasions catalog. We're using the Highland Heather, the Balmy Blue, Lemon Lime Twist, the Grapefruit Grove, and then the Daffodil Delight. So we're going to be making the Lemon Lime Twist one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So the Whisper White, the base is cut at 2 3/4 by 8 1/2 and then scored at 4 1/4. And then the Lemon Lime Twist cardstock is cut at 2 1/2 by 4. And then the Whisper White, which is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. Okay, all right, so first we're going to go ahead and stamp on this little piece of Whisper White. And the stamp set I'm using is Beauty Abounds. We're using this little splatter here and then also the Hello. And the Lemon Lime Twist. And I'm just going to randomly stamp it maybe about 3 times around this right-hand side of my little thank you note. And then I'm going to position my little daisy around that splatter. And then we're going to stamp the Hello. Let me grab some Whisper White and scrap. I'm going to stamp the Hello, and then that's going to get punched out with the 1-inch circle punch. This is the 1-inch circle punch. I'll punch out the Hello. This is going to get popped up on a dimensional. Just going to go ahead and layer these pieces together now. All right, now we're going to get our designer paper. This is the Gingham Gala designer paper. And then I'm also using the vellum cardstock. So we're going to take the daisy punch. This is carrying over to the annual catalog. So it's not retiring, which we're so happy about that. Okay, then we're going to take the vellum cardstock and punch a daisy with that. Okay, these are going to get layered together. I want my smaller check to show out. We're just going to put adhesive on the back side of the designer paper, and then we're going to stagger the daisies to overlap so they kind of stagger between each other for the petals, just like that. And we're going to pop that up on a dimensional. Okay, so this is where I was saying about placing the daisy right over top of the splatter, just like that. And we're going to take the Hello and pop that up in the center. Oh, so cute. All right, then we're going to just give it some mist. This is the Champagne Mist, which is the shimmer paint, and I'm just going to spray it a couple times just to add some shimmer to the front of the card. Oh my gosh, I love this month's thank you notes. So let me show you the other ones. Here's the Highland Heather, the Balmy Blue, the Daffodil Delight, the Grapefruit Grove, and then here's the other Lemon Lime Twist. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.